guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good today. So in this video we are going to talk about what I love in this 2021 skincare and makeup. So one of you requested me to do this video. We are going to talk about my top 5 skincare product as well as my top 5 makeup product. So yeah, if you are interested, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to first talk about my top 5 skincare product. Actually there are like 4 products, but yeah, also a body care product. But yeah, let's talk about first which I love the most. It is the L'Oreal Crystal Essence, and oh my god, you can see that like it's like halfway khatam. So I really love this micro essence. Like it's so lightweight as well as it gives you that glowiness. As I have like dry skin, I really enjoy that. And not only that, it has salicylic acid, and you know that this year for me is like really stressful, so I am breaking out like hell. I was breaking out like hell. It really helps to soothe out those pimples, really big cystic pimples, and I'm really absolutely love this product. I'm definitely going to continuing this in 2022. Yeah. And the next product which I have is this Cosrx Snail Mucin, and you can see that I like finished it so much. I use this daily, I use this religiously, and I am in love with this. And I have really Sahara desert skin, so it really helps me with that. Like it gives you that glow, it gives you that hydration, it gives you everything you want. And not only that, because it's snail mucin, so it really helps to heal your skin. And as I say that, like 2021 is a really bad year for my skin, and it really helps me with that like so much. I really love this and definitely going to continue this in this year. So next up I have this Minimalist Alpha Arbutin, and this is a really great product if you have like hyperpigmentation. And as I have like hyperpigmentation because of the scars, acne scars, so it really helps me to fade out those really nasty scars. And yeah, this is really potent, so I don't use like everything like the micro essence, Cosrx, Snail Mucin and the Alpha Arbutin like daily on my skincare routine. I go on and off with that. So yeah, it really helps me to fade out those acne scars. So actually I use the micro essence and Snail Mucin when I have like really bad acne, but when they dried out and everything, only there is the scar left, then I use this Minimalist Alpha Arbutin, and it really helps me with those scars. So yeah, definitely if you have like really bad acne scars and hyperpigmentation, then I definitely recommend this one. Next up for moisturizer, I have this Faceshop Rice Ceramide moisturizer, and oh my god, this is a like baby to me because it's so good. Like it's so thick, it's so thick, it really like hydrates, moisturize my skin so well. And also not only that, it have ceramide, which is really great if you have like damaged skin. So I have damaged skin, you know that, so I really love this product. Actually it's so good, I can't explain it, but yeah, it's really helps me with my like skin issues and everything. So definitely going to continuing this product right here. Okay, next up, this is not a skincare product, but I am including this because I really love this product. So this is the Plum body mist in the shade Vanilla Vibes. So As you can see that I have used this so much. It's so warm kind of smell, exactly smells like a vanilla. So if you love like vanilla scents, you are going to love this. Go, please purchase this, please try this out. It's so good. It is like, not only that, it's lasts you so long, although it's a mist, but it's last you like a perfume. Okay, next is time for the makeup. So I tried so much makeup. It's really difficult for me to choose like only five products, but I choose like my most favorite five makeup products. So the first product that I have is a foundation, and this is the Maybelline Superstay foundation. It's not a like new product, but it helps me this year so much because I was really insecure about my skin. And yeah, I know that you shouldn't, but yeah, I was really insecure about my skin, but I have to shoot and everything, so it really helps me with that. Like the other foundation that I have, those really enhances my texture and everything, but it gives you that flawless finish na, that like nobody can. Like foundation give you that flawless finish, like it's give you like the filter kind of finish. So I really love this foundation, and as you can see that I am almost finished with this foundation because I have used this like so much, like so much. So yeah, I really love this foundation. I'm definitely going to continuing this year. Next up, I have a contour stick with me. This is the Nyb Contour Stick, and this is so affordable firstly. But yeah, I don't know why I like love this one, but it is a perfect shade of contour. As you can see that like it's a cool tone brown stick, and it blends like a dream. You can use this on top of a foundation. You can use this as it is, like on bare skin. So yeah, I really love this contour stick. Like I don't know, but yeah, I have used this contour stick so many times. It's so cheap and affordable, so I thought why not give this a shout out. So next up I have this Revolution baby tint. So I tried this last week actually, but I am in love with this. Like it's so good. It gives you that flawless like blushy colorful cheeks, and not only that, you can build this up, you can use this on your bare skin. So if you're going for that no makeup look, it's perfect for that. And I'm in love with this. Like I don't know if you can see that or not, but in person, in real life, it's like it looks so good. And yeah, I'm in the shade actually rose, and I'm in love with this liquid blush. So next up I have a mascara with me. So this is the Essence Lash Princess mascara. So first of all, I love my Maybelline and L'Oreal mascara, but I also love this one because it gives you that natural lash finish. Like the Maybelline one and the like L'Oreal one gives you that clumpy spidery kind of lashes. So if you don't like those lash look, then definitely go for this one because it gives you that like natural lash look. Also it gives you that like a length and also volume. So yeah, I really absolutely love this product because, and look at this wand, it have a really thin wand, so you can go with this like so good. And also you can use this on your lower lash line so easily, which is like really impossible and really difficult with some mascara wands. So yeah, I really love this one. So yeah, definitely going to suggest this because I absolutely love this one. Okay, so next up I have a eyeshadow palette with me, and I think I probably like talk about this palette so much on this channel, but yeah, definitely I'm going to do that. So this is the Morphe X James Charles palette. I know this is like a really expensive palette, but yeah, I invested my money and I am in love with this palette. Like, I wanted this palette for so long, and look at this, it have like every color you want. That's why I really love this, because it have like nude, colorful, everything that you want. You can use this for your everyday kind of like looks, dramatic looks, and you can also use this on a subtle, like soft glam look. So, and I really love this product. But yeah, some people like this product, some people hate this product, but I don't know, I really love this product because it's so convenient, and also the pigmentation is, oh my god. But yeah, some of the products are really difficult to blend, but yeah, I really love this product. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this one, and if you do, then please let me know in the comments down below. And yeah, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then please do it. It means a lot to me. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care, stay safe, and be gorgeous. Bye bye.